Most of the time when you're searching for a side dish, you always go for cabbage because it's super versatile. Have you tried out making some sauteed veggies? So in this recipe, it's all about sauteed veggies. And as you can see, my plate is looking vibrant, colorful, delicious, and everything is perfect for that side dish. This recipe is super customizable because you can throw in any veggies that you have in your kitchen. For my recipe, I'm going to be using some assorted bell pepper, that is red, green, and yellow capsicum. I have some coriander, zucchini, carrots, and onions. And I'm going to turn all these veggies into a very delicious side dish. So because I've already washed the fresh ingredients, I'm going to start off by cutting up all my veggies. So I'm going to cut my bell pepper in half, remove the seeds and the membranes. Then I'm going to be chopping up into medium sizes. You want all the veggies to pop when the side dish is ready, or when your sauteed veggies are ready. So I'm going to cut into 3, then cut into bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to repeat with the yellow and red capsicum. I'm going to transfer to a plate. If you can't find the yellow and green capsicum, you can leave out, maybe throw in another veggie, maybe some broccoli or cauliflower. I'm not going to be wasting any veggie, so as you can see, I've also chopped up the top part of the yellow capsicum. Then lastly, I'm going to chop up my red bell pepper. Next, I'm going to pick my zucchini or courgette, cut the ends, then I'm going to cut in half and cut the zucchini into bite-sized pieces as well. Pick my carrots, peel. And because carrots take a while to cook, I'm going to cut into smaller sizes. Pick my onions, cut into wedges. And when done, I'm ready to stir fry my veggies, turn the raw veggies into an amazing side dish. As you can see, my plate is very colorful because we have different colors. So I'm going to place a frying pan over medium-high flame. Then I'm going to add in some olive oil, that is around 2 tablespoons. Wait for around 30 seconds for the oil to get hot so that we can cook. I've not chopped up my coriander because we're going to, that is the final touch in the sauteed veggies. Spread the oil in the pan, and if you don't have some olive oil, you can substitute with cooking oil. But when it comes to olive oil, it adds in a very nice flavor to food. So it's a must have in your kitchen because there are different ways that you can use olive oil. That is maybe in a salad, in a stir fry, just like this one, or even in cooking. When your pan is ready, you're going to add in all the veggies. Make sure the flames are at medium flame. Add in a touch of black pepper, oregano, and salt. You can toss the veggies or use a spatula and stir in, and just look how vibrant everything is looking. So the salt is going to draw water from the veggies and also season the veggies. So within a minute or two, the veggies are going to get soft and well cooked. When cooking a stir fry, it is very important for you to use medium high or high flame to cook your veggies, because you want the veggies not to draw water. So they are going to soften up, absorbing all the seasoning, and they are not going to be overcooked. I'm going to toss. Just look at that. The kitchen is smelling so good from the oregano. The cooking time for your vegetables is going to be in between 2 to 4 minutes. And to check if the zucchini is ready, it's going to turn from a green color to a very vibrant green color. And also the carrots are going to soften up. The assorted peppers are going to cook and soften up, absorb all those lovely flavors. So I'm going to check the seasoning at this point. I'm going to pick a capsicum. You can see the veggies have softened up, and it's been around 3 minutes. I'm going to toss once more. Check the seasoning a final time. Perfect. And when everything is ready, you're going to garnish with coriander, which is the finishing touch. Put out the flames, toss the coriander, and serve. Honestly, as you can see, my plate is looking colorful, delicious. The veggies are perfectly seasoned, very delicious flavor from the oregano and black pepper. And this is a must-try recipe, because this plate is loaded with lots of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients which you need in your body. So switch up that sauteed cabbage and try out making some delicious sauteed veggies for your side dish.